Okay, so we are in a new place. We're at the Precious Moments Chapel, which is right there behind me. But I'm over here to take a picture of my wife, Ash, because she's been here before, and she had gotten a picture in front of that right there. And she wants another one.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take a picture of her real quick.
Old,
so yeah, that's true. She was. So anyway, so when you see us again, we're gonna be inside walking around and filming. So I don't think we're gonna do any talking while we're in there. So just gonna let you guys kind of enjoy the view. So all right, we'll see you when we get in there. Okay, so we just left Precious Moments Chapel, and we are out here at Red Oak, Missouri. Basically, what this is a guy used to live here in Red Oak during Civil War time, right? During the Civil War time, and he came in and had his old hometown remade, and it's right, there's a little streetcar and everything there, and you got feed and seed. You got the Red Oak Town Hall back here behind me where Ash is filming. Got a little old, let's see here, right there where my finger is. It's an old John Deere B. Across the highway they have an old time reunion. I'm not sure what that is, but there's like massive barns over there, and it looks like a really old ice cream truck and a couple old tractors and everything. I'm wondering if it's not a go horseback riding or something over there. So this place is pretty neat, not gonna lie. But yeah, this guy just sat here and made this. And here's a funny one for the town hall for everybody. We've got this going on right here. Rather clever. I wonder if that guy's a Democrat or a Republican. What do you think? Just joking. He's probably a Republican, but that's all right. I mean, so, but yeah, this place is actually rather big. I mean, he remade it. It looks like some foundations were reused for it too on some of these houses. So, anyway, here in front is a little old town hall area too. And I can hear some chickens going too. So, yeah, pretty cool.